Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, but I'm not just unboxing one box, I'm going to be doing both Macy's and Sephora Play. I thought I'd just combine it into one video for you to save myself a little bit of time, but also you a little bit of time in terms of videos to watch. And if you saw the ones I did last month, you'll know I was kind of on the fence about both. But I decided to continue the Macy's one for another month to see if they do kind of have a different theme every month. And then Sephora won me over enough that I decided to give them another month as well. But I won't be able to continue this for a long period because I usually try to only get one at a time, but also because I will end up with way too many sample size items that I won't have space for or be able to get through in a timely manner. I'm going to start first with the Macy's one, mainly because it did not come in the bag, so everything's just kind of wrapped up in this tissue here. There is a bag, it just wasn't in the bag, so I'm going to get through that before I drop everything everywhere. And they put a little card in here that said, "Oops, we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that, but don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead." So we'll find out what they sent instead of what the normal item should have been. And I wonder if that's because they ran out or what the reason for that was. I don't know. But this is the bag, so let me try to get it out of this plastic to show it to you. Oh, I see. Oh, I got it. It appears to be a brush holder that then you just roll up and tie together. It's very nice gold color, but that will be handy for travel when I want to take brushes with me. And let me see if there's any sort of theme. It's not appearing that there's a theme. I mean, the bag doesn't say a theme like last month, but we shall see. So the first item is from Ahava, and it's their Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. I happen to have this because I got the full size in a FabFitFun box that I tested out. This is a travel size in 1.3 fluid ounces. It is quite a pricey lotion, but I do like it, so it's nice to have more to be able to continue using it once my full size runs out. Next is a product from Kiehl's, and I'd have to go back and check if I got a Kiehl's product from them last month because I can't remember. But I know it wasn't this specific product if I did get one from Kiehl's. So this is the Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask. It says it invigorates and brightens skin's appearance. Ooh, the color of it isn't very pleasant, and I don't love the smell either, but I'll definitely give it a try. However, I'm getting quite a few face masks now, and it takes me a long time to get through them. So I think I'm going to have to use them more often, or yeah, I'm just going to have to use them more often in order to get through them. All right, next, oh, this should come in handy. This is from Fancy Feet by Foot Pedals, and it's a gel cushion for your feet, for the ball of your foot, to keep feet from sliding forward. So it says, cushion the sensitive ball of foot area, virtually invisible design, reusable from shoe to shoe. Well, that's intriguing. I've never had an item like that, so I will definitely enjoy trying that out, especially with some of my less comfortable shoes. And it would appear based on the picture that that was my replacement item. So that might explain why it is not a beauty item. And I don't know what I got it in place of just yet. The next item is from Lancome. And it is their Genifique Youth Activating Eye Cream. You know how I like to get eye creams, so I haven't tried this one before, so that'll be good to try out. I don't know why it's in this bag, unless this is the replacement item. I will have to check the booklet after. And, oh, there's lots more than I expected in here. The next product is from Sunday Riley. It's their CEO Glow Vitamin C plus Turmeric Face Oil. And I want to say I did also get a Sunday Riley product last month, so I wonder if a lot of the brands they put in are the same from month to month, but you get different items. but I tried out the vitamin C cream from Sunday Riley, but I haven't tried the oil. So that will be nice and something new and different to try. And then what are these? New retinol ceramide capsules, line erasing night serum from Elizabeth Arden. So they're like, so they look like little beads. So I'll have to read up on how that works. There also appears to be some condensation in the packaging. Not sure about that. And then a perfume sample, and this one this month is from Chloe, and it's called Nomad. Quite strong, very floral. So I'll have to let that one settle and see how I like it. But now let me check the book. So the feet gel pieces were supposed to be in this box. The item that they could not send me was the Lancome UV Expert Defense SPF 50. So it was a sunscreen, and in place of that they sent me the Lancome eye cream, which explains why it's in this bag. So at least it was the same brand, just a different item from that brand. It's saying this box is a $50 value, but again, I'm skeptical about that. And so let me read about some of the products I was unsure about. So for the face mask, it says, your skin will love this thick and creamy mask. It's infused with turmeric, which is historically known for its antioxidant properties and ability to brighten and treat imperfections. The cranberry seeds add exfoliation. So for the Sunday Riley Vitamin C, it says, you'll probably get plenty of vitamin D this summer, but get your fill of vitamin C with this lightweight face oil. It'll not only firm up your skin, but also boost the brightening effects of the turmeric. Oh, they're saying like if you use it in conjunction with that other mask. I see. And then these Elizabeth Arden things are the things I really don't understand. Wrinkle smoothing and moisture boosting. These capsules keep your daily doses of serum fresh so they don't lose potency. That means you'll get to enjoy their anti-aging and hydrating powers to the fullest. So the way it works is you gently twist cap around twice and squeeze onto fingertips. Smooth serum over cleansed face and neck at night before your moisturizer. Okay, so I guess it's just a serum that's located in the capsule, and the capsule is meant to make it last longer. For the perfume, the notes are, it does say floral blend, so I was right with the floral. It says bring out, let's see, oak moss, freesia, and mirabelle liquor. And of course you get that coupon that I told you about last month, but so for this month, what am I most excited about? Probably the things for your feet and the Elizabeth Arden product, just because they are the most unique and different things that I have not tried anything like them before. Everything else is pretty comparable to stuff that I get in my Sephora boxes. The lotion is a little bit more or different than what I would get in my Sephora boxes, but overall, not that different. So, not sure if I'm going to keep going with this one. But let me know what you think in the comments, because I would love your feedback. But where it's that extra bit and I'm not feeling that extra thrill that much more than the Sephora, I may not continue it. But let's see how Sephora did this month, and that might be the deciding factor. So their bag this month is orange, very summery. And let's see what we have here. So this is a new and different product. It's from the brand Herbivore, and I don't know if we've ever received this brand before, but it is the Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. So I don't have a product like this, and like I said, I haven't tried anything from Herbivore, so far so good. Then a Sephora brand product, it's their Hyaluronic Acid Super Hydrant All Day Hydrator, Hydrate and Glow. How many times can they say hydrate on this package? Oh, I'll have to, I'm assuming it's a hydrating serum, but I'll have to check the package or the booklet to let you know. Okay, and we have something in a baggie here because it could probably leak. It's a foil packet. Let's hope this is our freebie. It's from Chlorine, and it is anti-pollution shampoo, and I'm assuming the conditioner as well, but let's see. Yes, anti-pollution conditioner and shampoo. So what do they mean when they say anti-pollution? I'm assuming it's for protecting your hair from pollution, but we shall see. Next is the Laneige sleeping mask, which I do have but haven't opened yet, but is not something that I've received in my box before. It's a very cute little sample. Then next up is from Tarte, and it is their, oh, interesting. It is their Found Concealer Multitasking Foundation with broad spectrum SPF 20 sunscreen. Is a foundation, a concealer, or both? And they sent me the color 16S Fair Light Sand. Oh, it is. So that, I think I read it wrong in the beginning. It is Found Concealer, like foundation concealer. And I have heard people talk about this on YouTube, and now I'm pretty excited that I get to try it. It even has a little pump on the sample size, so. And the final item is from yet another brand that I've heard a lot about that we have not received in our bag before. And it's from Pharmacy, and it's their Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And I really like the Clinique Take the Day Off Melt Away Cleansing Balm, so we'll see how this compares to that. And no perfume, so the shampoo and conditioner was our sample for this month. Let me read to you about any of these that require it. So for the Found Sealer, the only thing that needs to work hard when you're on a PTO is your foundation. That's why this multitasking formula is a first-class favorite. How to use. Oh, tells you how to use if you want sheer to light coverage, light to medium coverage, or medium coverage. So if you want sheer to light coverage, smooth on with fingertips. Light to medium coverage, which is probably what I would want, tap it on with a moist beauty sponge. Exactly what I would do. Medium coverage, buff it on with a foundation brush. And it does say it was chosen for my skin tone, and it's new and exclusive according to them. And apparently I guess the sleeping lip mask is one of their new flavors because it said exclusive, and I was about to say exclusive. No, it's not. It's been around for ages, but this new flavor might not have been. So it's in Original Berry, which I don't love berry things, but we'll see how I like that. For the face mist, it says for an instant vacation, combine soothing coconut water, youth-boosting hibiscus, and toning rose, then mist skin like there's no tomorrow. To use, shake, spray face a few times, rub it in, and tell everyone you're on island time. And it says for the cleansing balm, sunflower, ginger root, turmeric, that's a popular ingredient, and papaya. No, it's not ingredients for a cold pressed juice. It's a cleansing balm that removes all makeup and leaves skin feeling silky smooth. Warm up a generous amount in your fingertips, massage into skin with gentle circular motion, so like you would use any. It's saying exclusive, and it's saying it's award winning. Apparently Sephora thinks a lot of these items are very exclusive, but now for the one I couldn't figure out, that's the Sephora brand product. All Day Hydrator, Hydrate and Glow. Heading out for a spur-of-the-moment trip, make sure you at least pack the essentials, like this weightless daily moisturizer that delivers a natural glow. It contains hyaluronic acid, which helps with water retention to prevent dehydration, vitamins E and C, which increase radiance and nurture skin, and glycerin, which moisturizes like a pro. Then on to the bonus of the anti-pollution shampoo and conditioner. Sometimes your hair can use a little detox too. Enter this purifying shampoo and conditioner duo. Purifying shampoos have been around for quite a while, so if it's just a new name for it, I don't know if that's anything super special, but need to know brand. Beauty meets botany. Born in the southwest of France, Chlorine has botanical goodness in every drop of its nurturing plant-based formulas. Well, we will see. Well, I have to say, if this was a battle and I did have to pick a winner, I think I'd give it to Sephora because they're $5 less and I was more excited about their products. So could it be that they have finally listened to me and stepped it up? And I mean, no, this box has no repeat products, no similar to what I've already gotten before products, and many new brands or brands that I'm excited about. So, just based on this video alone, I think I would not continue Macy's and continue with Sephora until they send me a dud again, and then I might not continue. But that's the way I'm leaning right now. But based on your viewing of this video and your thoughts, let me know what you would prefer. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye!